Welcome to this video on the foundations of electric circuit analysis. We will focus on understanding network topology. An electric network connects electrical devices, while an electric circuit forms closed paths within that network. Every circuit is a network, but not all networks are complete circuits. Voltage is the electromotive force that pushes electrical charges, measured in volts. Current is the movement of charge over time, measured in amperes. Power is the rate at which systems transfer electrical energy, measured in watts. Key topology terms include the branch, which holds a single circuit element, the node, where two or more branches connect, and the loop, a closed path that traps the flow of current. Topology dictates the network structure. The relationship between branches B, loops L, and nodes N is defined by the formula B equals L plus N minus 1. Active elements like batteries and generators deliver power. Passive elements like resistors and capacitors absorb or store power. Linear elements show a direct, proportional relationship between voltage and current, unlike nonlinear elements. Bilateral elements allow current to flow easily in both directions, while unilateral elements restrict reverse current. Lumped elements have concentrated actions in small components. Distributed elements, such as long transmission lines, spread parameters across distances. Ohm's law is the primary rule, stating that voltage V equals current I times resistance R. Resistance impedes the flow of current. Kirchhoff's current law, or KCL, states that current cannot disappear. The total current entering a node must equal the total current leaving it, meaning the node sum is zero. Kirchhoff's voltage law, or KVL, is based on energy conservation in a loop. Voltage drops across elements' offset voltage sources, making the loop sum always zero. Circuit elements build the topology, which defines loops and nodes. Ohm's and Kirchhoff's laws are used to solve the system. Next, we will explore mesh and nodal analysis methods.